I am stoked today to find a fun activity where Ted is more than welcome. We're off to a portrait painting class at Paint for Fun on Graham Street.
Welcome to Dear Studio for Paint for Fun workshop. We are doing Paint Your Dog today. We take total beginners and teach you how to express their personality through color, texture. I have 4 different brushes. When you do big areas, you can use the bigger brushes. And when we go down to the details of the fur, the eyes, the mouth, then you go with a small brush. Paint Your Dog is one of the many classes that we run. So we do that every couple of weeks, but then we do Paint in the Dark, where we do UV light, everything glows, very cool. We do Paint in Partner as well, so we have 2 couples sitting here, and then they can't look at the artwork until the very end. And then we do private events, party, team building, corporate events, school holiday programs, clay workshops as well.
So we're painting the dogs today. I've got little Ted here who's sitting quite still at the moment, but he's not always good at that. Does it get a bit chaotic here with all the dogs running around?
No, look, right now we have 4 dogs. And I think once the owner are sitting and focused and concentrating, I think they get in the vibe.
Next time you're keen to let the dogs out, make your way to Port Melbourne. Jump online for more details on all the places Ted and I have visited.